Hello students, how are you? Have you seen my thumbnail that if I do not clear the AIBE exam, in that case what will happen? I do agree that it may be a bit disappointing, disheartening, and I can also understand the you are anxious, how anxious you are, how worried you are if you do not clear this exam. And still I would love to tell you that it does not define your future and it does not define your potential as a lawyer. If you do not clear your AIB exam, that does not mean that you have spoiled your career. You do not have any potential. That does not mean. Still, you have ample of time with you. For this, if you do not clear the exam, this AIB exam, there are certain things that you can think about. First, analyze the result. Reflect on the preparation strategy and identify areas where you could improve actually. Just identify those areas where you lagged actually and where you can improve yourself. Evaluate your test taking techniques and time management skills. This is more important because this is the 100 marks exam and the prescribed time is 3 hours. So we need to complete the AIB exam in 3 hours time. So first, the time management skills is very much important. Second, test taking techniques is also very important. So in that case, for test taking techniques, I'm talking about the previous year exams, question papers. You start doing your previous year exam question papers. So there will be the test taking technique that you can improve yourself first, and secondly, simultaneously you can complete that paper in 3 hours time. So the time management skills is also very important. The third very important thing is that you can get the feedback from your mentors, your coaches, your family friends, your seniors, your colleagues. You can just have a word with them that where actually we are lacking and how we can clear this exam. So just have a word with these people. They will certainly going to help you they will certainly help you in how to clear this AIBE exam. This is not a very tough exam. You need to clear this exam. By passing mark, that is only 45% for the general category and 40% marks only for the SC/ST category. So it's not very tough if I talk about this. Many successful lawyers have faced setback in their journeys. Use this experience as a motivation and work harder and learn from your mistakes. Obviously you will have to learn from your mistakes, exactly what you did in your previous exam that you were not able to clear. So you need not to do the same mistake again. So make a list where actually you made a mistake, and this time just made a promise with yourself that I am not going to repeat this mistake again. See, I'm telling you one thing very important. Success in law school does not mean success in the AIBE exam and vice versa. That does not mean what exactly I'm wanted to tell you, that if you have cleared your law 3 years course, that does not mean that you will be able to complete your AIBE exam also. Obviously it must be there that you should clear your AIBE exam, but that does not mean if you have not cleared it means you are a failure. There's nothing like that. There are certain another options available that I love to tell you. First, explore the options like retake the exam, identify the areas of improvement and develop the strongest preparation strategies. Make the strategies where you can feel like that I can improve myself. Second, which is more important, is that you can pursue your career further. As you have completed your law, so you can pursue for LLM, for PhD in particular subject, or you can clear for this net. You can prepare also for the net exam. So there are number of options available. And the third very important thing that is very important to tell you, that you can pursue alternative legal careers, for example, which are non-litigation roles like legal research associates, policy advocates, or legal journalism. So these sort of courses and the careers do not require the AIB exam to be cleared. And these are the very few things that I've told you. Still, if you are very well aware of anything which do not require the AIB exam to be cleared, so do let me know also. So I'll make another video that will be helpful for another number of other people. So do comment me and do let me know about that. And so I've told you there are numerous things that you can do if you haven't yet cleared your AIB exam and you're fed up of doing this. And this is very important to tell you that this is not the end of the day. This is AIB exam is just one step in your legal career. I have seen number of many successful lawyers who have followed different paths. So do focus on your strengths, develop your skills, and rebuild your silence. Do talk to your friends, your family, your mentors, your colleagues, your seniors. They will certainly guide you. In case you feel like you are struggling with negative emotions and you are in some doubt, do have a word with them. They will certainly help you in coming out of the negative emotions. And one thing more I would love to tell you, that I really believe in you. I am sure that you can certainly crack this exam. This is not a tough exam. Keep your head up and remember that every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. And for this, there are a number of sites that I am telling you. One is Bar Council of India. For the alternative legal career website, there is www.nalp.org. And do keep your mental health up to the mark. For this, you can contact to www.samhsa.gov. So do visit to these sites. So this is going to help.